Hi guys, I'm WRC Race, and today I'm here with the second part of the How to Make a Super Mario Bros. Game in Scratch series. In the last tutorial we made the basic physics, and today we'll make the animations. Are you ready? Let's get coding! This formula I'm showing to you right now is a little bit complicated. We use it to make the sprite animation fluently. It's floor of the number of the first costume of the animation, 3, plus frame mod of the number of costumes that the animation has, 4. Try to put it in the correct order to avoid causing mistakes. This should be the final result. If you have everything okay, congratulations, because you have finished the second part of our series. If you have some mistakes, try to fix them. In the next tutorial, we'll make the scrolling scripts. See you there.